Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to migrate a website from another host to Hostinger. So this is the website that we are going to migrate. Now, before we migrate the website, we want to check where the website is registered in. So first, go to this website. The link is in the video description. Now, paste the name of your website here and then click on lookup. Now you'll be able to see the name of the website and some of the details. Now you'll be able to see that the name servers point at hostgator.com. So we are going to migrate from HostGator to Hostinger. To get Hostinger hosting, click in the first link in the video description below. Now you're going to land on this particular page. If you scroll down, you can see the 3 plans available. You can choose any based on your budget. But before you do that, let me highlight some of the features you will be getting. Now we have 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Now we are going to choose the most popular, which is the Business plan. And you can see we are getting it at $14, but it's now at $4. We have around 2 months that are free. Now if we scroll down, we are going to see that we have an increased performance by 5 times. We can host around 100 websites. That means that today you are creating a blog, tomorrow you are creating an online shop. The more websites you are creating, you can create up to around 100 websites. We have 200 GB NVMe storage. This is not your local HDD or SSD storage. It's a very powerful and one of the latest storage technology. Now we have daily backups. We have unlimited free SSL. Now an SSL is the padlock that you see on a website like this. So every website should be having this. If it doesn't have this, then it will show that the connection is not secure and it will display it in red. So people will not be able to visit your website. Most of the hosting providers sell that, and you can see that we are getting here at free. We have unlimited bandwidth. We have free email. Now we also have a free domain. So we are getting hosting and a free domain for a whole year. You're also getting a free CDN and a lot of goodies that will be coming with the managed WordPress. Now we have so many features here, but those are some of the highlights that I thought you should know. Now click on add to cart. Now again, you will be taken now here where you can choose the plan that you want. We have a 1-year plan here. We have a 2-year plan here and a 4-year plan. Please don't go with 1 month because it will be very expensive unless you just want to test it. So go with a plan, a higher plan for maybe 24 months or 48 months. As you can see, you are getting, this is the $14 that you are supposed to be paying, but you are getting it at $4, or let's call it just $5. And when you renew, you're going to get it at $13 here. You can see here. So if you go for a plan for 2 years, you're going to get it at the same $5, but you're going to renew it at $10. So if you go for this plan, which is selected by default, you're going to get the 2 months free. Then you're going to get it for 4 years, and you're going to get it to the least amount, which is $4. And you're also going to renew your plan at a very affordable rate, which is $8.99, which is around $9. So now based also on your budget, so you can select any of the plans. I will select this one. Now scroll down, you'll be able now to check out. So this hosting company supports so many different types of checkout. You can pay with PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, and this other one, I'm not sure about it. Then you can also use your card here, so your credit card. So I'm going to use my credit card, and now you can be able to see on your billing here that you are going to pay around $671 Now you are paying at $191.52. You have 2 extra months, you have free domain, and you have WHOIS privacy protection, and you don't have a setup fee. So you're going to now fill these details. To pay, you're going to add your card details right here. Then I'm going to click on Submit Secure Payment. So after paying, you're going to be redirected to your control panel. Okay, so you will be redirected to your Hostinger cPanel. If not, just click on the H here and you will be brought home. Now you'll see something like this. So you're going to click on websites. Then you can see these are the websites that I have migrated. I have migrated from different hosting, and I have also migrated one from Cloudflare. The process is different. So if you have Cloudflare, I'll create another tutorial. So please subscribe so that you can see the notification when I publish that one. Now click on Add Website. Then click on All Options. Now you'll be asked the type of website that you want to migrate. So depending on the website, you can choose from these options. I'm going to select on business. Then I'm going to click on migrate website. Then I want to transfer the website. So you are going to be asked for your details. Now go to your WordPress website and collect these details: the WordPress admin, the username, and the password. So go back to your WordPress website, and before you do anything, first create a backup of your WordPress website. So once you have backed up your website, please download your website to your desktop. So you can click here and download your website to your desktop. It's always good to back up your website and have your website somewhere else. In case of anything happening, you will have your website back. So you have your website here, so it's downloading. And if you don't know how to back up your website, you can check in the video in the description below. I'll be sure to leave a video to show you how. Now after you have backed up your website, now copy the website login details. Now come here and copy and paste it here. Then your WordPress username, paste it there again. Now confirm that you have done the right thing, and now submit the request. Now next you're going to select that you have an existing domain, so select domain. Then you're going to type your domain here without the www. So you're going to omit this part like that. Then you're going to click on continue. So you'll be able to see where your website is hosted at from these name servers here. So you are going to click on continue. And now we are going to click on manage site. So we are going to go back to our manage site. So you can see that this is now your website here, and now we want to see all the details about your website. We want to click on see details down here, and now we can see we have our name servers that are pointing to HostGator here, your previous host here. Now we want to change this. We want to change this from HostGator to now what they are providing us. So we are going to copy the name servers provided by Hostinger. Then log in to your old host, that is HostGator. Now go to your domains. So now, depending on the host that you had, the process should be almost the same. So go to domains. Now look for the website that you want to change the domain. Now I want this particular one, so go to settings. Now again, this might be different according to the hosting that you are using. So for me, I'll go to advanced tools. Then I can be able to change the name servers. So the name servers are pointing to HostGator, you can see here. So we want them to point at Hostinger. So manage. And we are going to change this. And then we are going to also delete this. We are going to copy the second name server here. We are going to paste it here. So after we are done, then we are going to click on save. So basically we have changed our name servers to point at Hostinger. So if I refresh here, you can see that the name servers are now pointing at Hostinger. So I'm going to go back to my Hostinger dashboard, websites, and you'll be able to see that your website has been added. So you can see that everything is working well here. So if we want to visit our WordPress website, we can log in now through the usual way. So we're going to open a new tab here, your website name, then /wp admin. You can put your username and password and hit on login. So you can see that you are in your WordPress website. Now we can now try to confirm whether this has moved to the new hosting. So you just copy the name of your website, go to the lookup again, it's here. So we are going just to click on lookup, then we are going to scroll down, and you can see that we have name servers from Hostinger. So that's how we migrate our website from another host to Hostinger. If this tutorial has been helpful, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to move from Cloudflare or to connect Cloudflare to Hostinger, please comment that below so that I can make a video around that. Thank you, and see you on the next one.